Now we are going to solve question number 4.7, and in this question actually this question is related to current carrying wire, two current carrying wire when placed parallel to each other, definitely one force that is acting between the wire. Clear? If current is carrying in a same direction, force of attraction will act, and if the current is carrying in an opposite direction, we can say that attractive force, that is we can say repulsive force will act. Clear? So now we are going to solve first the derivation of that force, and after that we can put here values and we can get our answer. Clear? So first I am telling you the concept behind that question, after that we will solve this question. Clear? So concentrate. Let's suppose I am saying, let's suppose here we have a wire, let's suppose this is again a wire. Clear? Let's suppose this is very long wire, very long wire. Clear? Now let's suppose distance between these two wires we have, this is D. Let's suppose current that is flowing, this is I1, and let's suppose this is I2. Clear? So now first can I find value of magnetic field due to this current carrying wire 1? Yes or no? Let's suppose I am saying this is 1, this one is 2. So can I find value of magnetic field due to 1 on 2? Yes, because this is a long straight current carrying wire, I can say magnetic field is given by, magnetic field on 2, this is given by mu naught I upon 2 pi r. I we can write this is mu naught I1 upon 2 pi r. I can say this is 2 pi d. Clear? Now you can say actually we are placing this current carrying wire in a magnetic field of number 1 wire. Yes or no? It means definitely it will feel a force. Yes. So when it will feel a force, we can say, listen carefully, what is direction of magnetic field? Definitely I can say direction of a magnetic field is given by perpendicular inward. So perpendicular inward is the magnetic field and the direction of current is this one. So we can say angle between them is 90 degree. So I can say, we can write like this, F equal to what? This is Bill sin theta, Bill. So I can say this is B2 I, current that is flowing I2, and we can say L. So we can say, let's suppose L is L. Clear? So from here we can say, we can write like this, value of B2 we have mu naught I1 I2 divide by 2 pi d, and this is multiplied with L. Clear? Now can we calculate here the direction of magnetic field also? Yes, definitely. So from here you can say, you can utilize this Fleming left hand rule also. So from here you can say, let's suppose this finger represent the direction of, first finger represent direction of magnetic field, and we can say, let's suppose middle finger represent direction of current, you can say thumb represent direction of force acting. Clear? It means I can say here force will acted in this direction, force acted on 2 by 1. Clear? Similarly you can find magnitude of a force acting on 1 due to 2, and I can say it is having same magnitude, but if we talk about direction, direction is opposite. So we can say here an attractive force is acting between these two wires. Clear? So this is the magnitude, that is the force acting between these two wires. Our objective here in this question is to calculate force on a 10 centimeter section of a wire A. Clear? So now just I am writing here values and I can get here answer. So now if I write here F, this is equal to mu naught. Mu naught value is given 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 multiply I1 I2. I1 I2 is given, that is, just a minute, again I am writing here, listen carefully. So I can say value of force, this is given by mu naught I1 I2 divide by, I can say 2 pi, we can say d, and multiplied with L. Clear? So value of mu naught we can say 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Clear? Okay. Value of current I1 and I2, this is given 8 and 5. I can say 8 multiply 5 divided by 2 pi. Clear? And multiplied with d. Clear? So d is given to you 10 cm, that is 4 centimeter. Clear? They are separated by a distance 4 centimeter. 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? And we have to find force acting on a segment 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? From here we can say this one and this one cancelled out. clear. 4 pi cancelled out, clear. From here we can say this is 4, clear. So from here you can say this is 20 and we can say 200. So 200 into 10 to the power minus 7, this is Newton, clear. So what is our correct answer? Correct answer we can say 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. So we can say this is a force acting, or we can say attractive force acting between these two wires, clear. So this is a magnitude, clear everyone. So like this you can calculate the answer of this question, clear.